If you like working with data and don't mind it being a part of your daily tasks at work, then you'd likely succeed at a job where spreadsheets are listed in the minimum requirements, from entry level to advanced. Here are a few things to get you started. Excel functions for job interviews. Entry-level jobs. 1. Sum. This function is used to add up a range of cells. For example, equals sum, A1 colon A5 would add up the values in cells A1 through A5. 2. Average. This function is used to calculate the average of a range of cells. For example, equals average, A1 colon A5 would calculate the average of the values in cells A1 through A5. 3. Count. This function is used to count the number of cells that contain a value. For example, equals count, A1 colon A5 would count the number of cells that contain a value in cells A1 through A5. 4. Max. This function is used to find the maximum value in a range of cells. For example, equals max, A1 colon A5 would find the highest value in cells A1 through A5. 5. Min. This function is used to find the minimum value in a range of cells. For example, equals min, A1 colon A5 would find the lowest value in cells A1 through A5. 6. If. This function is used to check whether a condition is true or false, and return a value accordingly. For example, equals if A1 greater than 10, yes, no, would check if the value in cell A1 is greater than 10, and return yes if it is, or no if it isn't. 7. Concatenate. This function is used to combine the contents of two or more cells into one cell. For example, equals concatenate, A1, B1 would combine the contents of cells A1 and B1 into one cell. 8. VLOOKUP. This function is used to find a value in a table, and return a corresponding value from the same row. For example, equals VLOOKUP, A1, table 1, 2, false would look for the value in cell A1 in table 1, and return the value in the second column of that row. Advanced Excel functions for job interviews. 1. Index match. This function is a more flexible alternative to VLOOKUP. It allows you to find a value in a table and return a corresponding value from the same row or column. The syntax is equals index, array, match, lookup value, lookup array, match type. 2. If error. This function is used to handle errors in Excel formulas. It returns a specified value if a formula results in an error. The syntax is equals if error, value, value if error. 3. SUMIF or SUMIFS. SUMIF sums the values in a range based on a single condition, while SUMIFS allows you to specify multiple conditions. The syntax for SUMIF is equals SUMIF, range, criteria, sum range, and the syntax for SUMIFS is equals SUMIFS, sum range, criteria range 1, criteria 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2. And so on. 4. COUNTIF or COUNTIFS. These functions are similar to SUMIF or SUMIFS, but they count the number of cells that meet a specific condition. COUNTIF counts the cells in a range based on a single condition, while COUNTIFS allows you to specify multiple conditions. The syntax for COUNTIF is equals COUNTIF, range, criteria, and the syntax for COUNTIFS is equals COUNTIFS, criteria range 1, criteria 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2, and so on. 5. Date, year, month, day. These functions are used to extract specific parts of a date. Date is used to create a date from year, month, and day values, while year, month, and day are used to extract the corresponding values from a date. The syntax for date is equals date, year, month, day, and the syntax for year, month, and day are equals year, date, equals month, date, and equals day, date, respectively. 6. Round, round up, round down. Round rounds to the nearest number, while round up rounds up and round down rounds down. The syntax for round is equals round, number, comma, num digits, and the syntax for roundup and round down are equals roundup, number, comma, num digits and equals round down, number, comma, num digits, respectively. Here are some industries to look for work if you want to use Excel. Excel is a versatile tool that is used across many industries. Here are some examples. 1. Finance and accounting. Professionals in this industry use Excel to manage and analyze financial data, create financial models, forecast budgets, track expenses, and create reports. 2. Marketing. Excel is used to analyze and manage customer data, track marketing campaigns, create and analyze surveys, and generate reports. 3. Human resources. HR professionals use Excel to track employee data, manage payroll, analyze employee performance, create schedules, and generate reports. 4. Healthcare. In the healthcare industry, Excel is used to manage patient data, track medical expenses, and analyze data to identify trends and improve patient outcomes. 5. Sales. Excel is used to manage sales data, track sales performance, create forecasts, and generate reports. 6. Education. Excel is used by educators to manage student data, track grades, create lesson plans, and generate reports. 7. Logistics and supply chain. Professionals in this industry use Excel to manage inventory, track shipments, create schedules, and analyze supply chain data. 8. Real estate. Excel is used to manage property data, track sales and rental income, analyze market trends, and generate reports. There are many job titles that use Excel in their day-to-day work. Here are some examples. 1. Financial analyst. 2. Accountant. 3. Marketing analyst. 4. Business analyst. 5. Data analyst. 6. HR coordinator. 7. Sales manager. 8. Project manager. 9. Supply chain analyst. 10. Operations manager. 11. Executive assistant. 12. Real estate analyst. 13. Risk manager. 14. Budget analyst. 15. Research analyst. 16. Inventory control specialist. 17. Quality assurance analyst. 18. Logistics coordinator. 19. Customer service representative. 20. IT project manager. Good luck on your next interview. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the video.